Once again, good evening. Good evening, all the freshmen. Thank you. First of all, I thank God because of chaos, conflicts, and unpeaceful environment. God has given us another time to celebrate these freshers. And also I would like to say thanks to the program maker who made us to be stand here in front of all the freshers and the old students. So I welcome you all the freshers, to be a part of this same family, and also to be stay here before we complete our course. And also I would like to thanks to the all students to join with this freshers program. And one thing I would like to advise to the fresher, I will not stand here anymore. I would like to advise you is please try to complete your course. What I mean that is because many people we stay together. There is a lot of people who did not complete his course, their course. Because of what? In this college, there is a rule and regulation. I hope you will have these days. Lots of the students, they did not complete their course. Why? There are so many things to say. I will say one thing. That is, there are so many students, they are drugs dealers. Because of that, they send back to their home. So I would like to advise, or I would like to encourage you is, please try to complete your course, take your certificate, and go back to your home. That is, I want to advise you. May God bless you, continue to bless you, and stay safely, and try to complete your goal. Thank you.